Salmon cage farming is a form of aquaculture in which salmon are raised in cages or rafts in bodies of water such as the sea, lakes or rivers. The cages are usually made of nets and are floating structures. Cage farming is popular in many countries, especially Norway, Chile, Scotland and Canada, where natural conditions are favorable for the species to thrive. Preparing the vessel. Modern salmon harvesting vessels are often equipped with water pumping systems and automated machinery to help collect fish quickly without damaging them. Putting nets or pumps into cages. Salmon are raised in large underwater cages. The vessel will drop nets or use pumps to suck fish from the cages. These systems ensure that the fish are collected gently. Filtering and sorting fish. On board, automated systems will sort fish by size and weight to ensure consistent quality. Reduce stress on fish. Vessels use oxygenation and water temperature control systems to reduce stress on fish before they are brought ashore. Refrigerated trucks. After being harvested, salmon will be transferred to water tanks on refrigerated trucks to maintain freshness during transportation from the vessel to the processing plant. Quality control and cleaning. Salmon are quality checked as soon as they arrive at the plant. The fish are then cleaned to remove dirt or bacteria. Fish cutting and viscera removal. The fish cutting process is performed automatically, with modern machines to cut the fish precisely. The viscera will be removed, and the fish will continue to be checked to ensure there are no impurities. Meat cutting and cutting. After the fish is cut, the salmon is automatically cut by machine, depending on the production requirements. The fish can be cut into pieces or left whole. Packaging. After being cut into pieces, the salmon will go through conveyor belts for automatic packaging. The machines will pack them in vacuum bags or boxes, and refrigerate them to keep them fresh. Freezing and preservation. After packaging, the salmon products will be put into cold storage or transported immediately to places of consumption. The modern salmon processing plant complies with international food safety standards such as HACCP, ISO 22000. The entire process from harvesting to processing is strictly controlled to ensure quality and safety for consumers. Thanks to the use of modern technology, salmon harvesting and processing becomes fast, efficient and ensures the freshness and safety of the final product. Individual quick freezing, IQF, after the salmon is pre-processed and packaged. The quick freezing process will be applied. This technology ensures that the salmon is individually frozen, preserving the structure and nutrition of each piece of fish. Temperature control. Modern factories often maintain temperatures below -18 degrees Celsius to keep the salmon from spoiling and ensure the highest quality. Final packaging. The products are carefully packed in special containers for cold or frozen storage. They are then transported to distributors or supermarkets by refrigerated trucks or refrigerated containers. Final inspection, before export or distribution. Shipments will undergo food safety inspection to ensure there are no violations of hygiene or quality. In many cases, salmon is not only packaged for sale as a whole fish or in pieces, but also undergoes other processing procedures to create higher-end consumer products, such as smoking. Smoked salmon is one of the famous products. This process involves marinating the fish with spices and then smoking it in a special system to create a distinctive flavor. Canned salmon. After processing, salmon can be canned and preserved in oil or brine, then sterilized for a longer shelf life. Processing salmon as sashimi or sushi. Some salmon processing factories serve the Japanese culinary industry, requiring very high standards of freshness and hygiene. Salmon for sashimi is usually thinly sliced, carefully packaged and stored at the appropriate temperature to ensure food safety. Waste treatment systems. Modern salmon processing plants use advanced wastewater treatment systems to ensure that waste from processing does not pollute the environment. Efficient use of resources. Salmon is processed thoroughly to avoid waste. Inedible parts such as heads and bones can be used as animal feed or fertilizer. Modern systems are often equipped with traceability technology. Each salmon product will be labeled with a barcode or QR code, allowing consumers to check the origin. Farming and processing process of each batch of salmon. In general, the harvesting and processing of farmed salmon in modern farms and modern processing plants ensures freshness, food safety, and meets sustainability standards. Advanced technologies are applied from farming, harvesting to processing, helping to bring high-quality products, preserving the flavor and nutritional value of salmon. Not only the meat of salmon is used, but many other parts are also utilized to produce high-value byproducts. Salmon oil. Salmon oil contains a lot of omega-3, which is very good for health. The oil is extracted from the fish fat after the meat is sliced, then filtered and refined into fish oil used in food supplements. Salmon protein. Modern factories also take advantage of leftovers such as skin, bones and meat scraps to produce protein from salmon. This product is used in functional foods, pet food or processed into fish meal. Collagen from salmon skin. Salmon skin is rich in collagen, which can be extracted and used in the cosmetics industry or collagen supplements for health. Smart management system. Salmon farms use sensors and automatic monitoring systems to monitor the fish's living environment such as temperature,